It rained yesterday and the sun is out today, and that means one thing. The squirrels are out in full force. So let's fire up the Bergara and handle these fools. I got one standing up at 74 yards. Let's see if I can get him. First shot of the day. Man, usually that first shot's a flyer, but that one hit him dead on. By the way, I'm getting a scope cam tomorrow, so stay tuned, you guys. I'll have better footage coming in the future. But man, let's have some fun today. We have a little bit of a breeze today, so we're gonna see how much it pushes around the ammo, you know, come later in the day. But right now, the way I'm positioned, it's backwind, so it's not crosswind, so it's okay. You guys, it hit him. I think it went through him, and I can hear it ricochet off the rocks behind him. That's pretty fast. Oh no, look at his tail. Holy cow. Wow. See, it's been raining for like the last couple days, and they don't really come outside, so they're kind of hungry. So this time of day, they've already eaten, they're back down in their holes relaxing. But today it's sunny, it's after 2 days of rain, so they're out. They're pretty aggressive right now. Look at that first one. Ooh. And that second one. Ooh, looks like it did go right through him. Holy cow. Oh yeah. Oh, I told you it went right through him. Oh, delicious. Okay, we're gonna change positions. I'm gonna go up over this berm right here and see what we can get. It's been a long time since the squirrels have been up on those rocks, and I was just scanning with my rangefinder and happened to see one just kind of camouflage, and it was blending right in, so I just happened to see it and nailed it. Shot him and he fell in the trough. Let's go get him out of there. Okay, I got one. Not sure how far it is. Oh, I got him. I thought I missed. Be him again. What the heck? It's hard to say what happened there, you guys. The first one might have went right through him and he didn't even know it, and then he moved you know, a couple feet, and it stunned him or something, but he had enough energy to go back down into the hole. I had to wait till he popped up. He kept going down, and I got a berm right in front of me where I could barely see him. Nailed him. Okay, I see one up against the hill. 70 yards. How many is that so far? I'm not sure. What do you say we go for a few more? I've got the volume turned up on my headphones because it's warm enough for the snakes to be out. And I actually hit a gardener snake with the weed eater the other day. That means rattlesnakes are out too. So I got to keep the volume up so I can hear them. Okay, I got one perched up on a stick watching the cows. Nailed him. Taking a nap. The ground squirrels like to dig around the trees, and they just dig up the roots and kill them, and it can kill the trees real fast, so we like to take them out as fast as we can. Ooh, that's a gory one. About 80 yards. You can barely see him. Nailed. Okay, I see one way down there. There's a lot of wind. It's a small target, but wish me luck. I think I got it. Let's go take a look. Yes, that was a tough shot. We got the wind kicking up over here, and that was probably about 90 yards. So, and I can only see the top half of them. So yeah, buddy. Nailed them, you guys. Thanks for watching, you guys. Appreciate each and every one of you, and hopefully soon I'll be getting my scope cam. Actually tomorrow I will be, but we'll see how long it takes to set up. There's that one.